Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. Here's going to be a, hopefully, repair video. We'll see. On an older Speedrite called a Delta 3. They've had a few different Delta models. They all had this same kind of shape. Some were plug-ins, some were battery powered. This particular unit happens to be 110 volt AC model. Pretty stout little units. I mean, they're very, very reliable. Alright, the note on it says very low output. So I imagine the transformer's wrong with it. Now the transformers, all these are built onto the boards. I don't think you can, I mean, one might be able to put another transformer on it, but most likely we're going to have to install another board in it. We're going to take these knobs. I don't know if I need to take these off to get it apart. We don't get a lot of these in for repair, but they come in periodically. Alright, so let's take the screws loose in it. Got a handful of Phillips screws in it. They're small ones, though. They don't. See if my regular want to. Whoops. Might buzz it out of there. Yeah, standard size, I'll get it out of there. Let's see. Screws fall out. Put this off over here. Don't think I need to pull that off. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just plug in real quick. See if it's doing what this customer says it's doing. Yeah, just one thing, light, the yellow and the green aren't lighting up. So we got issues somewhere. I think we need to take this nut loose, but I don't remember. Part of it. Alright, there's the inside. Okay, let's let's check the capacitor first. We're going to unplug one wire from it. Just take it out of circuit. This is a 20 microfarad capacitor. So it should be right on 20. Nothing. And if we get that lucky, that's just a bad capacitor. That'd be awesome. sorry about that. Says one more time. Nothing. I'm going to keep the nut and washer because we use those on other things. Alright, here's a capacitor we're going to sit inside there. We're going to put that one right there. It's the same size capacitor. So we're going to have to solder some wires. Put some solder on here, and we'll snip this little zip tie. Cut these little spade connectors off, and we'll solder these wires to this. And we'll try it again. And what we'll do to keep that capacitor in place is some 2-part epoxy. I don't know if this is going to fix our situation 100%, but I think the capacitor has got to be about 20 years old. That's an old style, old looking capacitor. Alright, let's heat the two together. Alright, let's go ahead and just plug it in as it sits. Put the tester across the output. Boom. There we go. What's it doing to plug it in? Probably check the fuse, but most likely it's going to be the board. Alright, let's get some 2-part epoxy out here. Not going to need a lot. So just put it, it's kind of tight, it won't reach. Alright, we're going to have to make these wires a little longer. A fuse. Board look burnt up over there at all. Top side or something. Yeah, they're a 1-amp fuse. Now this capacitor's probably got a big old charge built up in it, but let's get some new wires. I'm gonna plug them onto the board. Oh, shit. Is that 1100? Okay, back to what I was doing. Take this wire, split it. Did it? No. Now we're going to crimp on a couple of female spade connectors. Now I'm going to take this soldering braid and pull the solder splattered onto the thing when I was pulling them off there. First I'm going to discharge the capacitor just so I don't accidentally come in contact with it. A little charge in it. Let's go and get this epoxy going. Let's put it back here. And then we'll take a stir stick. There. Doesn't matter. Just put right there. It'll take a little bit for that epoxy to harden up, but once it doesn't, you don't want anywhere for a long time. All right, so now we can cut these wires the length. system, making sure it closes. Alright, before I put it all back together, I'm going to let the epoxy harden up. That way if I need to reposition, I want to flip this thing around and the passer falls into place. It takes a good depending on how thick the epoxy layer is, which is pretty thick on this one. Probably take a half an hour for it to really harden up, and a full 24 hours to really to solidify 100%. So we'll just toss this old capacitor out, set this off to the side for a while, let the epoxy do its job, and then we'll put it back together. But for now it's done. It's working fine, clicking right along. The green light was lighting up, putting out what, 8,000 volts or whatever it was out thing. So it's raring to go. Well, that's it for this little video. Glad we could save another one from going to the trash heap and the landfill. So now we're keeping another one on the fence, keep it working. And until next time, see you guys later on.